Dude, can you feel that? The snow outside is legit sparkling like a movie set.
But for real? I just looked out the window and wow, it's like Christmas exploded all over the street.
Totally, man. And it's not just the snow. I can smell those cinnamon cookies from Mrs. Parker's house 2 doors down.
Oh, I get you. That smell is like memory overload. You know that feeling when a smell just throws you back to when you were a kid?
Speaking of memories, remember that Christmas when your dog ate the gingerbread house?
No way. Yeah, for real. He chewed it like it was his own personal chew toy. That was a disaster and kinda hilarious.
Totally. And it's moments like those that make Christmas, well, magic.
Exactly. Speaking of magic, did you know that in the US, over 150 million Christmas trees are sold every year?
Whoa, that's insane. And here I was thinking we just picked a random tree from the lot. That's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, and each tree has its own little story. Like some families have traditions that go back decades.
Traditions, huh? Okay, repeat after me, dude. Christmas traditions.
Christmas traditions.
Awesome. And now, holiday decorations.
Holiday decorations.
Perfect. You're killing it.
So, Nick, what's your favorite Christmas memory?
Oh man, probably the year my little sister dressed up as an elf and snuck into the living room at midnight. She tried to hide behind the couch but totally tripped over the cat.
No way! That's awesome! I love those mini disasters. They make the holidays unforgettable.
And speaking of unforgettable, have you ever wondered why we hang stockings?
Oh, I do. I know it's old school, but what's the story behind that?
Okay, mini story time. Back in the day, St. Nicholas would secretly leave coins in people's stockings, so hanging your sock wasn't just decoration, it was like leaving a little door open for surprises.
That's legit. So basically, we're all just waiting for a tiny Christmas miracle every year.
Exactly. And speaking of surprises, you gotta try this micro challenge with me. Repeat after me. I can't wait for Christmas surprises.
I can't wait for Christmas surprises.
Nailed it. Okay, listening check. I'm gonna say a phrase and you repeat it, all right? Festive decorations make me happy.
Festive decorations make me happy.
Perfect. And now let's set the scene. Imagine it's Christmas Eve, snow falling softly, lights twinkling, the smell of cookies in the air.
Oh, wow. That's like straight out of a holiday movie. I can see it. You hear that soft jingle of bells, too?
And maybe the neighbor's kids are building a snowman while their dog keeps stealing the carrot nose.
For real, man. That's the vibe. You know, simple moments like this are kind of the heart of Christmas.
And hey, repeat after me one more time. I love Christmas memories.
I love Christmas memories.
Awesome, dude. And here's a curiosity question for our listeners. What's one Christmas tradition that makes you smile every single year?
Think about it. Maybe it's baking cookies, decorating the tree, or singing carols with your family. Whatever it is, hold on to that feeling.
And that's just the beginning, man. Christmas is full of stories, laughter, surprises, and a little magic in every corner.
And if you're listening, get ready. We've got some hilarious and heartwarming stories coming up, plus some fun practice for your English.
Yeah, no worries. It's going to be pretty cool. But for now, let's take a deep breath, imagine that snowy evening, and step into the heart of Christmas.
For real, dude. Let's do this.
All right, first up, let's talk about some of our favorite Christmas traditions, starting with the tree.
Oh yeah, you won't believe what happened when I tried to set up my first tree. Dude, setting up your first tree? That's gotta be a story.
Oh man, it was chaos. I bought this giant tree, right? And then, yeah, it wouldn't fit through the door.
No way, that's awesome. Well, not awesome at the time, I guess.
Exactly. I had to cut off a few branches just to squeeze it in. My living room looked like a jungle for days.
Totally relatable. And speaking of traditions, my family always makes sugar cookies and decorates them with wild frosting designs. One year, my little cousin made a cat that looked more like a blob.
Oh, I get you. Kids' cookie art is next level creative chaos. Repeat after me. Decorating Christmas cookies is fun.
Decorating Christmas cookies is fun.
Perfect. And now let's do a mini quiz. What do we hang on the tree besides lights? Think fast.
Ornaments.
Exactly. And maybe a few popcorn strings if you're feeling traditional.
Totally, dude. And don't forget tinsel. It's messy, but kind of magical.
Hey, have you ever tried an ugly sweater party?
Oh, for real? Yeah. Last year, my sweater had blinking lights and a Santa riding a llama.
That's legit. And honestly, it's kind of the heart of American Christmas culture. Fun, silly, and full of laughter.
Totally. And here's a listening check for our listeners. What did Nick have to do to fit his tree inside?
Yep, you gotta remember, he had to cut some branches.
And speaking of branches, my grandma always hangs a little bell ornament on the tip of the tree. She says it's for good luck and holiday cheer.
That's awesome. You know, traditions like that are perfect for micro role play. Let's try it. Repeat after me. I love my family's Christmas traditions.
I love my family's Christmas traditions.
Perfect. Now, here's a curiosity question. What's the most unusual Christmas food you've ever tried?
Oh, wow. My aunt once made a Jell-O salad that had marshmallows and carrots. For real, it looked like a science experiment.
No way. That's amazing. Or terrifying. But hey, it's all about making memories, right?
And speaking of memories, remember last year's snowball fight? That Airbnb looked like a snow globe. Our neighbors joined in. It was like a mini winter festival.
Yeah, exactly. And now let's do a repeat after me for English practice. I enjoy fun winter activities.
I enjoy fun winter activities.
Nice. Okay, mini challenge. Describe your favorite winter activity in one sentence.
I like making snow angels with my little sister.
Perfect, dude. That's simple and fun.
And Nick, you mentioned a childhood memory last time. What about the gifts that meant the most?
Oh man, my favorite was a tiny train set my dad gave me. I didn't care about the big presents after that. It was all about the tracks and imagination.
That's awesome. And I bet every listener has that one gift they'll never forget.
That's the kind of memory that sticks with you. And here's a micro cliffhanger for later. Wait till you hear about the time my dog helped unwrap presents.
No way! Can't wait to tell that story. But first, let's practice a few phrases our listeners can use. I love holiday movies. I enjoy decorating the tree. My favorite tradition is...
Perfect. Repeat each one after me.
I love holiday movies. I enjoy decorating the tree. My favorite tradition is baking cookies with my family.
Nailed it. And now let's imagine a snowy Christmas morning. Lights twinkling, smells of breakfast in the air, and that cozy feeling you get when everyone's together.
Oh, wow. That's legit. I can see it, feel it, even taste the hot cocoa. Man, Christmas really is all about simple joys and memories.
Totally. And don't worry, listeners, we've got some fun stories and English practice.
Yeah, just soak in that cozy vibe and think about your favorite Christmas tradition.
But for now, and remember, every little detail, from lights to cookies to laughter, makes the season magical.
For real, dude.
Dude, speaking of magical moments, you remember what happened with my dog last Christmas?
Oh man, I think I remember, but for real, fill me in again.
So I wrapped all the presents perfectly, right? And then my dog, Max, decided to help unwrap them at 6 a.m.
No way, that's hilarious. Totally chaotic too.
Exactly. The paper was everywhere, bows won. He even stole a candy cane. but honestly, it made the morning unforgettable.
For real, dude, that's the kind of memory that sticks. And speaking of memories, what's your favorite Christmas song?
Oh, Jingle Bell Rock all the way. I love singing it super loud while decorating the tree.
Totally. Repeat after me, listeners. I love singing Christmas songs.
Yeah, and don't forget the fun pronunciation challenge. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
That's always a tongue twister. Okay, mini quiz for listeners. Which song does Nick love singing?
Exactly. Jingle Bell Rock.
And talking about songs, my family has this weird tradition. We sing carols while making gingerbread houses. It's messy, but legit hilarious.
I get you. Messy Christmas traditions are the best. All right, repeat after me. Making gingerbread houses is fun.
Making gingerbread houses is fun.
Perfect. And here's a curiosity question. What's the funniest or weirdest tradition in your family? Think about it.
Yeah, sometimes traditions are just small, silly moments, but they're what make holidays special.
Exactly, dude. And now let's try a micro challenge. Describe your perfect Christmas in 2 sentences.
Okay, I want snow on Christmas morning. I'd spend the day with family, drinking cocoa and singing songs.
Awesome. That's exactly the cozy vibe we're talking about.
And Nick, what about your favorite Christmas memory from childhood?
Oh man, my little sister dressed up as an elf and snuck into the living room at midnight. She tripped over the cat and fell right into the presents.
No way! That's hilarious. Kids really know how to make Christmas unforgettable.
Totally. And here's another listening check. Who tripped over the cat?
Your little sister.
Yep, exactly. And speaking of Christmas joy, let's talk about giving, my favorite part of the holiday.
Oh yeah, giving gifts, helping others, spreading cheer, it's what makes Christmas really magical.
Repeat after me, listeners. I love giving and sharing at Christmas.
I love giving and sharing at Christmas.
Perfect. And now imagine this cinematic scene. Snow falling gently, lights twinkling, kids laughing outside, and everyone gathered around a warm fireplace.
Wow, that's legit. I can even smell the pine and hear the faint jingle of bells.
For real. And that's why we love these stories. The little details, the sights, the smells, the laughter.
And hey listeners, here's a micro cliffhanger for next time. You won't believe what surprise awaited me under the tree last year.
Yeah, and while they think about that, let's do a repeat after me for vocabulary practice. Holiday lights, festive decorations, family traditions.
Holiday lights, festive decorations, family traditions.
Nailed it! And remember, these phrases are legit things you can use when talking about your own holiday experiences.
Totally. And thinking about it, every little memory, from a dog stealing candy to a kid tripping over presents, is what makes Christmas really special.
Exactly, dude. And next, we'll wrap up with stories about giving, kindness, and a few surprises that will make you smile.
For real. Let's keep that warm, cozy vibe alive and share the joy of Christmas together.
Dude, I still can't get over that surprise under the tree last year.
Oh man, you mean the one that made you scream like a kid? For real, I still laugh thinking about it.
Yeah, it was a tiny gift, but it meant the world. You know, it reminded me that Christmas isn't about the size of the present. It's about the thought and love behind it.
Totally. And that's what makes holiday memories stick, right? The little things, the funny moments, the warmth of family and friends.
Exactly. And speaking of warm moments, remember the time we volunteered at that Christmas charity drive?
Oh, yeah. Handing out coats and hot cocoa to kids and families, it was like a mini Christmas miracle. For real, that's a memory I'll never forget.
And listeners, think about your own traditions. Maybe helping someone, sharing a gift, or even just writing a kind note. It all counts.
Repeat after me. I enjoy giving and sharing at Christmas.
I enjoy giving and sharing at Christmas.
Perfect. And here's a fun micro challenge. Can you name one small act of kindness you can do this holiday season? Just one.
I love hearing all the creative ideas from our listeners. It's legit inspiring.
And speaking of inspiration, I've got another favorite memory, making Christmas cards with my little cousin. He drew a snowman wearing sunglasses.
No way, that's hilarious. Kids really do make the holidays extra special.
Totally. And hey, repeat after me for some vocabulary practice. Christmas card, snowman, holiday cheer.
Christmas card, snowman, holiday cheer.
Nailed it. And Nick, remember how we talked about Christmas songs earlier?
Oh yeah, singing together with family, even if we're off key, makes everything so much better. It's about joy, not perfection.
Exactly. And listeners, here's a curiosity question. What's your favorite Christmas song or carol?
Yeah, leave it in the comments. We'd love to hear it.
And to wrap up this cozy chat, here's a motivational thought. Christmas is really about sharing love, laughter, and little moments that become lifelong memories.
Totally. And remember, every act of kindness, every silly tradition, and every shared laugh makes the holiday season magical.
Repeat after me. I make Christmas special with love and laughter.
I make Christmas special with love and laughter.
Awesome! And don't forget, subscribe if you haven't yet so you can join us for more fun English learning through real stories.
And leave a comment about your favorite Christmas memory. We want to hear your stories.
Totally! And check out our other videos for more conversations, practice, and laughs that make learning English feel like hanging out with friends.
Yeah, no worries. It's going to be fun.
All right, that's a wrap, dudes. Keep the Christmas spirit alive and enjoy every magical moment.
For real, dude. Merry Christmas and happy learning, everyone.